Welcome back. In this section, we're going to go through how to train an LGBM model using the provided scripts. This process is also handled by alphapipeline.py. In the previous video, participants learned how to construct xvars using the construct features function. After all xvars are generated, the next step is to merge XOR df and your df to get df. Then, df is split row-wise into training set or xy train. This spans the training date range and includes as columns the keys, xvars, and the yvar. Prediction set or xpredict. This spans the prediction date range and includes only the keys and the xvars. Next, alphapipeline.py trains the model and saves it using the train model function. Xpredict is then used to produce predictions. To run all of these, first, copy or modify the construct features function. The modified construct features.py file from the notebook must be copied to alphapipeline.py, unless it was modified directly in alphapipeline.py. When copying, remember to modify the cal object and use self.cal instead. This is because the function being overridden is a method of a class, which already has this attribute. Participants can also modify the target variable and model parameters within alphapipeline.py if needed. After, participants can execute the script in the terminal by providing the required arguments: start predict, end predict, train lookback years, xdays lookback, output directory, refit frequency. The refit frequency argument determines how often the model is retrained, which can be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. For example, if the model is trained monthly, the script will train and use a different model each month to produce predictions. Refer to the earlier video on avoiding model drift. Output directory. Specify the path where outputs will be saved using the output directory argument. This is where all the outputs of alphapipeline.py will be stored. If alphapipeline.py runs successfully, you can expect the following outputs. Models directory. This contains subdirectories named in the format year, month, depending on the refit frequency. Each subdirectory contains the trained model, a bar graph showing feature importances, a CSV with feature importances measured by gain, split, and gain per split. There is also the ypreds directory. This contains subdirectories named in the format year. These subdirectories store daily predictions in a specific format. Alphapipeline.py trains and predicts for only a single refit period at a time. To train models for multiple periods, alphapipeline.py must be run multiple times. To optimize this process, you can utilize parallelization, which we will discuss in the next video.